Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman, Excel 365 2021 Module 2 End of Module Project 2 assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Save and prepare file. Save the original file. Ensure your name is displayed in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 2. Conditional formatting and data cleanup. In the annual budget worksheet, apply light red. Fill with dark red text to duplicate values in the range C5 using conditional formatting highlight cells rules. Delete the row containing the first duplicate value.
Step 3. Formulas and formatting. In cell F5, subtract the actual advertising amount, D5, from the budgeted amount, E5, and fill this formula down to F16. Clear the conditional formatting from E5. Apply percent style number format to G5 and display one decimal place. Step 4. Additional formatting. In the range, F5, create a conditional formatting rule using gradient fill blue data bars. Unmerge cell B17, check and correct spelling errors in the worksheet. Step 5. Charitable worksheet adjustments. Fill the merged range B2 with blue, accent 2, lighter 80%. Hide column G. Apply currency format with a $sign and 0 decimal places to C5. Step 6. Functions and calculations. In cell C15, use the sum function to total donations and sponsorships, C5. In cell C16, use the count function to count donations and sponsorships, C5. In cell C18, enter a formula to subtract the projected donation amount, C17, from the total, C15, then divide by the projected amount.
Step 7. Final steps. Ensure your workbook matches the final figures provided. Save, close, and submit the workbook as instructed.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.